three ways that I make sure that I'm hitting my protein on a regular basis. One is I make sure that I eat at least a pound of meat a day. On most days I'm going to eat 2 pounds of meat. Why is that? Because it makes the math simple. Because around 1 pound of meat, whether it's ground chicken or ground beef, ground turkey, or regular meat, it's going to get you in that zone of about 100 grams of protein. And so from there, you can figure that you've already covered 100 grams of your protein. And what you're trying to shoot for is you're trying to shoot for a minimum of about one gram of protein for every pound of body weight. So if you weigh, in my case, I'm right around 200 pounds. So I try to hit 200 grams of protein every single day. And now it's just part of my life. It's what I do. It's part of the routine. When you first start out, you're going to have to find creative ways. That's what this video is all about. Trying to help you make it easier to hit those protein goals. Now, anyways, number one, like I said, it's eating around a pound of meat a day. Sometimes it's 2. The other thing that I found that makes it easy is getting a good protein powder, one that your body can digest well. Personally, I don't do so well with the dairy products, so products like the whey protein powders don't work as well for me, but I use a product that is kind of a meat-based one, and it's got a lot of different sources of protein in there, but it keeps the dairy out, and that works out great for me. Now, the beautiful thing about protein powders are it can add flavor to things. So you can get it in vanilla, chocolate, cookies and cream, all these great flavors. You can add it to your oatmeal. So you can put a scoop or 2 in your oatmeal. Bam, you've got 50 grams, 25 to 50 grams of protein right there. When it comes to, you can make shakes with it, or you can add it into even your coffee if you wanted to. If you like to if you like to have more of a creamy coffee, you could add the vanilla or the chocolate to your coffee, shake it up, and you've kind of got it's a little bit of a latte. It's going to give it that creamy flavor. That one right there is going to get you 25 to 50 grams of protein each day. So if you had the pound of meat, you have that, you're now up to 150 grams of protein. We're getting there. The other way I like to do this is I like egg whites. And before you go, ooh, nasty, it's really a hack. You can put it in just about anything. You can mix it in with your protein powder instead of milk to have that, to make a protein shake. So you're gonna get more protein that way. You can drink them straight out of the carton. They really don't taste that bad. Why is that? Because they're pasteurized. They're not the same slimy, nasty egg that you're thinking about when you crack the egg open and you look at that white, like the liquid clear part of it. It looks so nasty. If you had to drink that, you'd probably gag. That's what I thought it was gonna be like when I first drank egg whites. I saw all these guys, I'm like, it's so disgusting, but hey, I'm gonna give it a try because I'm trying to hit that protein. So what I did is I tried them, and they actually don't have a lot of flavor. If anything, they have a slight flavor of maybe a little bit of salt, but it's actually rather delicious. It's kind of refreshing. You gotta try it for yourself. And if you think that's weird, try adding a little chocolate syrup or some electrolytes to it, and you won't even taste it. It'll be just like you're drinking a chocolate milk or something, I promise. Anyways, those are 3 things that I do on a daily basis to help me hit my protein needs. So I'm consistently hitting that, because hitting the protein is one of the most important things you can do from body composition. It's going to help you grow. It's going to help you stay a lot leaner. And it's just going to help a lot of processes in your body. The challenge I would put you to is for the next 3 weeks, try to hit the 1 gram per pound of body weight. And just give it 3 weeks. Do it every single day. See how you feel. After week 1, I promise you're going to be sold on it. Everybody that's ever tried it has been sold. You're just going to feel the energy difference. You're going to feel how everything's just a little different. You're going to find it a little easier to maintain whatever body composition it is you're going for. And that's going to be great. So anyways, we'll be back with some more episodes of The Lab coming soon. And I'll catch you later.